Fucking freezing my ass off. I made it until 4:30 in the morning, but because of all the leaves and the rain piled up on the polyplastic, and it just filled with water, which was fine until I tried to fix it. Because by trying to fix it, I pulled it off one side, which you can't see because it's fucking dark, and that light is too fucking bright. But because I pulled it off one side, emptying the water, I didn't realise I'd pulled it off one side, which meant that the rain came in and filled up my inflatable mattress, which I didn't realise because I was still sitting on it until I mean, it's not as bad as I thought it was. I got a little bit of a damp bum, but it felt like I was drowning. I wasn't, because I've still got coverage up here. It's just that this end is a bit damp. But it's just because the wind is fine, rain is fine, but constant wind and rain for 8 hours. So yeah, I decided to take sod it, get dressed. Of course, to cut down the weight, I didn't bring a waterproof jacket. So I'm actually lying on the hammock for a change, which is something I've not done really. Fuck it, I'm up. It is really fucking cold. I mean, yes, it's heat wave, but because it's really, really horrendous wind and fucking pounding rain and the elevation, it's not far above freezing, which sounds ridiculous, but so what I'm going to do is I'm not going to pack up, but I do want to have a coffee, even though it's 4:30. Just lying here worrying about the thing getting blown away and just shivering, because I can't snuggle down, not when I'm worried about the thing that might just fucking blow away or whatever. But it's pretty fucking horrendous. I mean, I get that. I mean, you can see where the fucking it's not covered there. But yeah, my Bergen has stayed perfectly dry. There's a little bit of dampness on that one little pocket, but the rest of it stayed dry. So that's great. So that's all dry. My knee brace is a bit damp, but that's right. My boot bag is dry. My spare t-shirt is soaked, but then the polyplastic is still there. It's just because of the wind, it filled with leaves. So yeah, the weight of it dragged it down on one side. Next time, I shall make sure it doesn't happen. So it's all a learning process. So what I need to do really is get everything straightened out up there. It's still really fucking windy. I mean, it's going out in the rain without a jacket, so I'm waiting for the rain to ease off. It comes in squalls, where you get rain, then you get a lull with just wind. And it's just, what I'm wearing is so thin. It's like really, really thin. And I can't find my socks yet. As long as my socks are dry, I'm not going to care about the rest really. My thermal jumper may have gotten a bit damp. Yeah, it's wet here. But then that's the fucking wind just howling horizontal. Because I had it more for protection from downward rain, as opposed, attracting the moths, as opposed to horizontal. So yeah, it's fucking windy. Right, okay. Worst case scenario, I can wear this sleeping bag, even though it's a bit damp.